Are you happy with your life? Are you willing to change your life? Are you ready to put the wheels in motion to achieve that? As years go by, circumstances change in our lives, and things are not the way they used to be. Maybe you were alone and now you have a family. Maybe the job that used to be fulfilling is not anymore. Maybe your life is full of stress and anxiety. Maybe financially you've fed up and sick and tired of being sick and tired. Maybe you need a breakthrough. Maybe you have realized that you need to level up in at least one area of your life, if not more. Maybe you want to start a business and you don't know where to start. If this is you, then this is for you. Learn how you can escape the rat race and join the modern wealthy. We offer for free a series of informational videos that set out for you ways you can achieve the lifestyle you dream about, escape anxiety, and be financially and geographically free by building something you truly love and care about. Click the link below and subscribe for free, and I'll be happy to see you on the other side.